To address grinding noises in GE washing machines, it is essential to identify the common causes of the issue. The grinding noise may be attributed to the presence of unremoved transportation material from the appliance or an unbalanced washer. To resolve the problem, start by removing any transportation materials, such as styrofoam, cardboard, or a shipping rod, that were included with the appliance to ensure its safe transportation. Removing the shipping rod typically involves locating a loop attached to it and pulling it outwards, which may require some force to overcome resistance. Next, level the appliance by placing it on a hard, flat surface and checking that all leveling legs are in even contact with the ground. This can be done by holding two corners on opposite ends and gently rocking the appliance back and forth. If it rocks, use a level to adjust the legs. Place the level on the top panel, checking both front to back and side to side, and use a wrench to make the necessary adjustments. Finally, tighten the locking nuts on the leveling legs to secure the appliance in its new position, thus resolving the grinding noise issue.